The Cromwell is a super cute boutique style hotel. It's located right on the corner of Flamingo and Las Vegas Boulevard, actually right next door to the Flamingo. If you blink, you might miss it. It's small, cute, quaint, and I think you guys will really enjoy and be surprised at this room tour.
I think I remember being some elevators over there. Look at that, open right away. I know, it's cute. What number? I didn't look at the number. 41? This way. Right here. Okay. Go ahead and open it. Okay, first impressions. It's cute. What do you think? All right. Okay, so here we are at the front door. Here is the little couch lounge area. There's a little table. That couch is cute. Okay. And here, this wall is like paisley. Here's the bed and the headboard. The Cromwell doesn't have like a huge, oh, look at the TV. It's huge and it's like framed. The Cromwell doesn't have a huge selection of rooms. Oh, they have a mini bar. So it's not hard to find this room. It's like, I don't know. I'll put it on the screen though. Okay. Knowing I'm not gonna be partaking in any of that. Oh shoot, what is this? What is the purpose of this? I don't know. Comment down below if you guys know what the purpose of that is. All right. And we've got a chair right here. Nice tall mirror. I love that mirror. Here's the other nightstand. In your closet. Okay, you've got your iron. I know it's hard to see. These rooms are a little darker. You got your blow dryer, your iron, drawers. I don't see a safe yet. I don't know, there could be not. All right, you've got your little vanity area. That's super cute. Does it light up? Yes, look. Nice. Let's check out the view. Now, this hotel has very small windows. It's like an older style, so, you know, you're not going to be expecting the grandest view. I didn't even see an option to pick like a view. So we have no view. This is it. I'm not even going to turn the light off for this. There's the Flamingo, and there's the big building. Here's the door for the bathroom. Big barn style door. Ooh. And here's the bathroom. Okay, this is as bright as it's gonna get. The shower's cute. Enjoy the good life. Okay. Nice. And you can look at yourself while you shower. How fun. All right. And then this is just a little toilet area. Oh, and it has a little window. Oh, and above the vanity, there's a cute chandelier. All right, this is the basic room at the Cromwell. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Bye. Okay, so it is the next morning, and I didn't really get the idea of how trash this view really was, because I wasn't expecting a view, but dang, you can't get much worse than that. If this opened, then, you know, you can stick your head out, look around, but this don't even open. So yeah, no. Like I said, I don't remember them having rooms with views optional options on the website when I booked, but if you can find one, I definitely suggest it. Okay, I have to admit that the Cromwell is a pretty cool property. Very small, very quaint. It only has, I think, 7 or 8 floors, few rooms. The casino floor is really small, but decorated beautifully. Everybody was very nice, very welcoming. The check-in process was the quickest I've ever been in my life anywhere. I was the only, there was no line, first person, straight up. Which was awesome. I lost my room key, went straight down, grabbed another one, no wait time. That was awesome. The parking garage is a little full. You know, we had to drive around a lot to find a park, but the parking garage is right in front, like right across from the doors. So it's nothing like you're gonna be walking forever. That's really cool. Of course, I already told you the view wasn't the greatest. But I don't really have any dislikes. I mean, a lot of their restaurants and stuff are not open still due to COVID. This hotel is mostly, like right now, well before COVID, it was really popular because of the beach club and the nightclub, Dre's, and that was closed due to the pandemic. But now they opened, they put their downstairs after hour spot, they opened that. So I went, you know, just to see, just to be able to tell you guys, to see, you know, what's the hours, how you get in. I believe they said 12 midnight to like 4 a.m. something like that. Don't quote me. I know it was 4 a.m. But you have to buy a table. There's no bar down there. You have to buy a table. And when I asked how much tables were, he said we only have $600 tables right now. So I'm not sure if that's always, or if that's just, you know, because it was that night. I don't know. I wasn't going anyway. But I have been to Dre's Beach Club. I do recommend. It was super fun. This was like 2 summers ago or something like that. So yeah, if you get a chance, you want a low-key spot, not all the people, easy to park. Well, as long as the parking garage is not full. And they said if it is full, though, you park at the Flamingo. And if you want to valet park, you valet park at the Flamingo. So I thought that was nice. Small casino. We didn't leave our casino. Oh, we did one time to go to the Flamingo because I got hungry and it was late and there's nothing to eat here late at night. So I did go across to the Flamingo to get pizza. But other than that, we stayed in this little casino. So, I mean, it worked for us. We even won a little bit of money. So, I mean, hey. So I do recommend the Cromwell. Let me know what you guys think down below. And also let me know what hotel room you guys want to see next. Bye.